Aston Martin key fobs use CR2032 batteries. Replacing them yourself is easy, saves money around $75 compared to dealer service, and takes only 5 to 10 minutes. This video shows you how. No special skills are needed. Most Aston Martin key fobs, including models like the Vantage, DB11, and DBX, use a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery. Older models might use CR2025, but CR2032 is the standard for recent models. Confirm the battery type before starting. The battery powers the fob's transmitter and receiver. For replacing your Aston Martin key fob battery, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to carefully open the fob without damaging it. You'll also need a new CR2032 battery, which is the standard 3-volt lithium coin cell used in most Aston Martin key fobs. Work on a clean surface to prevent dust from entering the fob's internal components, which could cause damage. A soft cloth can help protect the fob's finish during the process. First, locate the small seam on the back or side of your Aston Martin key fob. This is where the two halves of the case meet. Next, gently pry the fob open using a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Insert the tool into the seam and carefully separate the halves. For models like the DBX SUV, you may need to remove the key ring first before prying open the fob. Be careful not to damage the plastic or scratch the casing during this process. Work slowly and apply even pressure. Before removing the battery, note its orientation with the positive side up. Use the screwdriver to gently lift the old battery out. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation, pressing it firmly into place. Correct battery placement is critical for proper function. Snap the key fob case back together, ensuring it's securely closed. Test all functions, locking, unlocking trunk access, to confirm the new battery is working. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation. Common mistakes when replacing your Aston Martin key fob battery can prevent successful replacement and potentially damage the fob. Let's review the most important ones to avoid. Using too much force when prying open the fob can crack the plastic casing or damage internal components. Use a gentle touch and a proper tool to avoid this common mistake. Another frequent error is incorrect battery orientation. The positive side must face up to ensure proper contact with the circuit. If your key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, there may be a deeper electrical issue with the transmitter or circuit board that requires professional diagnosis. Finally, consider the 10-year shelf life of CR2032 batteries. Always check the expiration date on the package to avoid purchasing outdated batteries that may not hold a charge. Automotive key fobs are evolving towards smartphone integration. Modern vehicles now support phone-as-a-key systems where your smartphone can unlock and start the car via Bluetooth or NFC technology. Smart keys and companion apps are becoming more common, allowing remote functions like locking doors or starting the engine from your phone. This reduces reliance on physical key fobs. While physical key fobs may decrease in use with these advancements, battery replacements will remain relevant for older Aston Martin models and budget vehicles that still use traditional fobs. Emerging trends include longer battery life through low-power Bluetooth chips, potentially extending fob life to 3 to 5 years, and eco-friendly rechargeable alternatives like lithium-ion coin cells.